12. Neuer, clean sheets, and Suarez for Uruguay. Fortunis for Olympiacos, and Krul for the Netherlands. Busquets, Barcelona, and Kolo Touré for Ivory Coast. Sirigu for Paris Saint-Germain, and Burak Yilmaz for Galatasaray. Thiago Silva for Paris Saint-Germain, and the matchups card. James for Real Madrid, and Sterling for England. Akinfeev, CSKA Moscow, and Willian, Brazil. Veltman for Ajax, and Cavani for Paris Saint-Germain. Peralta for Club America, and Lulic for Bosnia. I hope the second half will be full of nice things. Godin for Atletico Madrid, and the bronze press proof 244 out of 299. Atletico de Madrid. Okay, Luizao for Benfica. Pepe, Real Madrid, and Iniesta for Barca. Bale, Real Madrid, and Theofanis Gekas for Greece. The second half must compensate us for this beginning, I think. Something extraordinary. silver press proof for Belgium. Lukaku. That's 58 out of 199. Hello Jimmy, what hits I miss apart from the auto I see on the... Not much. Basically just press proofs and not really good ones. Maxi Pereira was the auto. And Messi for Argentina. This box is particularly bad so far. Matchups and what? Matchups and what? Where is the second insert? A single insert pack. Strange. Arda Turan for Atletico Madrid and Berezutsky for Russia. Paitim Kasami Olympiakos and Ivica Olic for Croatia. Toni Kroos, Real Madrid and Lichtsteiner for Switzerland. Julio Cesar for Benfica and Baines for England. Forlan, Uruguay, bronze press proof, 32 out of 299. And Gabi for Atletico Madrid. No, that's just a clean sheet card. And Akinfeev, CSK Moscow, and Maniatis for Olympiakos. Alonso, Bayern München and Inler for Switzerland. Russia, Donetsk, Olympiacos. I will check in a minute. Just finish this pack. Paris Saint-Germain, Cavani and Di Maria, Argentina. Angel Di Maria. Uruguay, Belgium, Atletico, Monaco, Greece, Poland, Club America, Brazil. I think you saw the others. Two packs left and we are without an autograph and again a pack with a single insert. A Messi, Barcelona. Super strange. Super strange this pack is. Oh, at least the auto. Protected by Müller of Bayern München and non-numbered Lugano, Uruguay. Yeah, it is really bad. This is the worst box I saw so far. E-box. Okay, let's see the final box. You will have a dual or quad auto there. Or a black. Oh, these are generally bad, these boxes. Well, and 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Lasciato. Actually, there are breakers in Russia, they would love it. You know, they are all over the place for the Oleg blocking patch cards from Futera and stuff like that. Okay. Ribéry, Bayern München, and Yaya Touré, Ivory Coast. Julio César, Benfica, and Lewandowski, Bayern München. Cavani, Paris Saint-Germain, and Mertesacker, Germany. Bravo, clean sheets for Barcelona, and Robben for the Netherlands, national variation. Godin for Atletico, and Peralta for Club America, fantastic finisher. Turan, Atletico, and Fernandez, Peru. Marcelo, press proof for Real Madrid. 75 out of 299, a bronze one. And Götze for Germany, Deutschland. When I will list it, I think tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow in the evening. And it could be a one day. Yeah. Garay, Zenit, and the matchups. But first we need to pull something excellent here for you to return. CSK Moscow, Musa, and what? One insert again. That's not a good sign. Bill and Fernandez, Chile. Saw him a few times. Another matchups as a single insert in this pack. Oh my god. Coqui, Atletico Madrid, and Rojo for Argentina. Okay. Let's see what we have got here. Peralta, Pitch Kings, and Behrami, Switzerland. Zagoev, CSK Moscow, and Perisic, Croatia. Press proof. Ronaldo, silver press proof for Real Madrid. 131 out of 199. This will get out of loader. Yeah. And the Lam for Bayern München. Neymar, press proof, bronze. $32 out of $299. 32 out of 299. There we go. And Inan for Galatasaray. Akinfeev, CSK Moscow, and Higuain, Argentina. Kaitan, Benfica, and Pjanic, Bosnia. That's much better. Casillas for Real Madrid and Sruna for Shakhtar. Witsel for Zenit and Lukaku for Belgium. Rafinha, Barcelona, and Lovren, Croatia. Jordi Alba, Barcelona, and Thiago Silva, Paris Saint-Germain. Julio Cesar and Salpingidis, Greece. And the auto. It's a single auto. Protected by Ibrahimovic of Paris Saint-Germain. And not numbered, but at least Javier Mascherano from Barcelona. I would give a $3, but I need those for the next break, Jamie. And I hope that I will see you. The boxes will be from the same case. That means that I really hope that not the whole case is shit, just the first 5 boxes from it. Somewhere in every case should be a dual or better auto, and we didn't pull that tonight, so it's still there. Okay, gentlemen, I'm sorry for the not very good boxes. Thank you, and see you next time.